Imagine walking outside to a perfectly clean pool. No leaves, no dirt, no cloudy water, without ever picking up a net or a vacuum. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max all-in-one pool cleaning robot is designed to completely transform the way you maintain your pool. With a powerful 8,500 gallons per hour suction, it aggressively removes dirt, debris, even microscopic particles that traditional cleaners leave behind. But this isn't just a pool vacuum, it is a full-service cleaning system. It's all-in-one cleaning power. It cleans the floors, the walls, the waterline, while also skimming the surface, eliminating floating debris before it sinks. The ultrafine filtration captures everything from leaves to fine particles for visibly clearer, healthier water. The smart surface parking will automatically park itself at the surface for effortless retrieval, no fishing around required. It's built for all in-ground pools, no matter what the size or shape. This intelligent cleaner adapts for maximum coverage and efficiency. It has a complete navigation system for hands-free convenience. Look at my Aiper X1 Scuba Pro Max cleaning the waterline, as well as it's going to hop up here on that ledge and clean that ledge for me as well. It's such a great pool cleaner. It climbs even these curved surfaces of my oval-shaped pool. It has been running for a while, and it has run its navigation. This was provided for me, from my honest opinion, from Aiper, and I really love this pool cleaner. It is an all-in-one, get it done, no hoses, no manual scrubbing, no wasted weekends, just clean, fresh water. Look at it climb the wall and go up on my ledge. That is very unique. That is one of my favorite features about this machine. And now it's going to turn again, and it's going to go up the water line above the ledge. That is so unique. I haven't seen another pool cleaner do that. I love my Aiper pool cleaner. It is a thorough beast of a machine. Now it's going to repeat that pattern over and over till it gets that ledge clean, as well as the water line above the ledge. Very unique to the Aiper. The caterpillar tracks and the dual brushes in the front really help it climb in tough spots like this, especially on these curves. It catches a grip without missing a beat. Powerful suction sucks in the debris for a really nice clean. This is a really tough spot. It's curved on two different levels, and look at that. That is so cool. It is also very hard to climb there. It's not very deep on that ledge, and it's cleaning it beautifully. It saves hours of manual cleaning every week. It keeps the water crystal clear with minimal effort, and it replaces multiple tools in one smart device. And look at it clean that water line. It makes pool ownership feel effortless. You can just enjoy your pool. It has 8,500 GPH high flow suction power, pulling fine particles in a single pass. It has OmniSense A1 navigation, 40 sensors for mapping. As you can see, it's mapping its path there. The Flex Path 2.0 coverage algorithm ensures systematic full pool coverage. Look at it climbing this very curved piece of my pool. So neat that it can climb there. It's a hard spot for any pool motor. One of my favorite features is its extended runtime battery system, up to 10 hours of surface cleaning, 5 floor cleaning. I'll show you a sample of how it cleans just the finest debris. Look at this piece of my ledge here. Now there is the area where the Aiper has passed, and there is where it has not passed yet. Look at the difference in the debris. That is fine little sand and silt on that ledge, and it scooped it up, and when it completes this entire cleaning, all of this will be gone. But look at that with just one pass. Now let's see the Aiper on the stairs. This is the Scuba X1 Pro Max. Look at it climb my stairs. It's so cool. Now keep watching with this Aiper, because in addition to everything I'm showing you here, it cleans the surface. I am not kidding. It cleans the surface. It does that at the end, and it self-parks at the surface, so you don't have to retrieve it. It does come with a retrieval hook, but I've never had to use it because it always self-parks near the edge, and I can simply lift it out the pool. It will just disappear into the pool and do its thing, cleaning the floors, the walls, the waterline, the surface, and targeted full pool cycles. I highly recommend this great machine. Please like this video and subscribe by following us to see more videos about this great machine and these fine quality products from Aiper. I highly recommend the Scuba X1 Pro Max for all your pool needs.